Well, we started the business because we found a very lacking amount of professional people to do cleaning and maintenance on the boats here at the V&A waterfront. We had a lot of owners that had multi-million rand yachts who brought in their garden services to clean the boats without realizing the damage they were doing to the boats. And we now look after about 18 to 20 yachts per week, as well as we look after the quality control of all the new Cape 31s that are exported out of South Africa. It runs down to us because we get asked to do the quality control on a lot of the boats, some of the balance boats, obviously all the Cape 31s, and some of the new owners get in touch with us for the Robertson Cane boats, for the Neisner catamaran, say, Eric, won't you put your eye over the boat? Tell me if we're not seeing something. We work for the owner. We don't work for the factory. We don't work for the seller of the boat. We liaise with them. We do checks on the boat. We also pack the boat up and put it inside of a container for shipment. I got started into sailing, being dragged to a boat show when I was about 9-10 years old, and ran into the guys from Hobie Cat who got me involved in Hobie Cat sailing, moved on from Hobie Cat sailing through high school, and ended up on Formula 40 racing catamarans just straight out of high school, the Professional Sailing League. And that kind of brought me to South Africa. I was invited to come to South Africa in 1990 to participate in a Hobie Cat International, and loved this country. And I was coming back and forth every 6 months to come and spend time here and sail. And then in 1994, just before the elections, I decided this was a place I wanted to be, and I've been here ever since. On a regular basis for the racing yachts we have here at the V&A waterfront, we are boat captains for them, and that involves before racing on a Wednesday, we come down to the boat, we wash, we clean, we dry, we set up the boat, we run all the sheets and ropes that we need for the boat, all the drop lines. Make sure the sails are all here. We keep the sails in a container on premises so they're dry and they're kept clean. It takes a lot of the pressure off of the teams when they come down, the boat's ready to race and ready to go, as opposed to a last-minute.com trying to make sure that things go well. So we've got the 3 Cape 31s here that we do that for the Wednesday night sailing, and then when there's a regatta going on, then we do more than that. We organize all the food, we organize anything extra they need for the boats, and we also organize a rib to go out as a chase boat for them with any spares or any extra equipment they might need. I think my hands-on approach, I'm involved with all of the owners, as well as we also run a development program, work experience program, if you want to call it that, where young kids who want to get into the super yacht industry overseas, they come and do a work experience program with us. It's a minimum of 10 days. We don't charge for this, so that they get some hands-on experience on cleaning real boats. It's primarily to get their confidence up and build some extra skills working with another team of people, with my staff, who are all super yacht trained, and they learn from that. We also help them with their CVs and kind of promote them overseas that they've done work with us. I think that the quality of boats being built in South Africa has shot up a lot in the last 10 years. So the export market is huge here in South Africa. It's been a lot of hard work. It's 6 days a week, 7 days a week in summer. I help out with the skippering duties for our private yacht owners. We also organize crew for some of the race teams as well. This last year, I was running myself completely ragged with the Cape 31s and with the general maintenance that we do here at the waterfront. And I needed someone to be able to run in the office. So Colleen's been a huge help with us this year. I'm looking forward to a lot more time involved with the company. Busy. Reason I got Colleen here.